Now that our model is all ready to go with our materials properly unwrapped and applied as standard materials only, it's time to export. So let me just show you a few settings that you'll need to know that are necessary for this process. And the best way to find out what we need to do is to go to the Unreal documentation. We'll look at this in just a second. First, you need to select what you want to export, or if you want to export the whole scene, you can just select Export All. If you hit our 3ds Max logo up here, go to Export, hover over it, and select either Export or Export Selected. In this case, I'll just do Export Selected. Make sure it's set to Autodesk FBX. Find a place to export it to, and name it whatever you want. Now, it will come up with options for FBX export. This is where the help files come in. If you go to UE4 help, docsunrealengine.com, I guess is the website, it shows here that these are the minimum requirements for exporting FBX to Unreal Engine 4. So these are the main things we have to look at right here. Under geometry, smoothing groups, yes, smooth mesh, and triangulate. Smoothing groups, triangulate, and obviously these settings look a little different. We do have turbo smooth here. That's not exactly the same as smoothing mesh, but it's okay to put that on if you have turbo smooth on your objects. This will actually apply it in the FBX. So with smoothing groups and triangulate at least selected, then you should be fine, and hit OK. It will give you a few things. The following editable poly objects are affected. The FBX plugin has detected turned edges on editable poly objects. If you wish to retain edge orientation, you will need to enable the Preserve Edge Orientation option in order to enable the plugin to convert the affected editable poly objects to editable mesh objects and automatically triangulate them. So it looks like with ours, we will need to put one more setting on, and that is okay. Save over the last one. Yes. Preserve Edge Orientation. No errors this time. And there we go. Now we'll check this out when we import this into UE4. We'll see how it all looks. We might need to export it again if we've got reverse normals or anything like that. And then we can eventually get it up and running in Unreal Engine 4 and working properly so that we can walk around in real time.